Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope that all of you are well. Today I'm gonna do a Canadian shave, and that's probably the most appropriate soap to use. Canadian Tuxedo by MacDuff's Soap Company. A couple of interesting things before we dive into the scent notes. First, this soap was originally created for the Canadian Wet Shavers group on Facebook. I'm not sure how long ago, maybe a couple of years ago. So it was unobtainium for a while, and last year Sean from MacDuff's, he released it, so you were able to purchase it from MacDuff's directly, and I think on other stores in North America. So I didn't have to think twice, and I grabbed one. You may know that MacDuff's is one of my favorites, and this soap does not disappoint. I'm even rushing to open it. And the second one, you may ask, why Canadian Tuxedo? Something interesting that the label hints. Canadian Tuxedo is a fashion kind of like statement on a way. It's pretty much, as you may guess, if you wear a denim jacket or denim shirt and denim pants. That's pretty much it. So jeans, denim jacket, and you're rocking the Canadian Tuxedo. I don't recall what was the actual story behind it. I think a celebrity had some dress code issues, and later on Levi or another big brand for denim clothing made an actual tuxedo out of denim. So yeah, that's fun fact. I might have to check it out. It's been a while since I was told about it. Scent notes. When it comes to Canadian soap, or when you hear Canada, one of the first things that comes to mind is maple. And surprise, surprise, one of the scent notes is of course maple. Here you can take a look at the pour. We just scooped over here around half of almond seed. Beautiful pours for MacDuff's, so I always feel bad when I have to scoop, but it is what it is. These soaps are for usage. Beautiful scent, very nicely blended gourmand, and there is some sweetness, but the balance is very nice, so this is not overly sweet type of a scent. It's very pleasant though. So the scent notes, conveniently over here, they're written on the label. I'm gonna read them for you. We have maple, citrus, geranium, spice, basil, oak moss, musk, sea salt, and sandalwood. Quite a few notes at play. Beautifully blended, and I really like it. It's suitable for winter, yes, but also I see this scent working for warmer days as well. But yeah, for me, most of the MacDuff's choices are really blind buy and safe bets that yeah, Sean will deliver with a good scent. Over here, I already lathered the soap. You already know, if you watch some of my other videos, MacDuff's lathers beautifully. Can take water if you want it more hydrated or not. Over here in my Spot Prints bowl, I'm using my AKA Alberta Boys edition. Here you can see on the coin Sean and MacDuff's. Gorgeous brush. I love using it. I love the knot. Synthetic AK7 knot, if I recall correctly. And yeah, it's so good. The smell is so pleasant. I'm gonna prepare the face. Yeah, the lather is beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, MacDuff's base is also another favorite of mine. For the razor, I'm gonna rock with the Aylsworth Drakkant TI. Inside I have big Aster blade. I don't know which use, 4th or 5th use, I don't know. I might be pushing this blade, but it seems that the last shave with it was quite comfortable, and I'm just trying to squeeze 1 or 2 more shaves to see how long it will last. First pass, 2.5 days of growth, and it's been a while since I was able to have a morning shave during a weekday, so I really appreciate it. Sean from MacDuff's, he's a master of gourmand scent And yeah, that's really pleasant, really pleasant. I think that the maple really complements the scent notes blend on a very nice way, and it's quite good. For the slickness, nothing bad really. MacDuff's is one of my top choices, as I mentioned. Mentioning it if you are new to the channel and you're wondering how MacDuff's performs, it's really an excellent base. Very nice, first pass. The blade also holds surprisingly well. Big caster. Uh, they're very affordable blades as well, and very good in terms of performance. They remind me a little bit of feather blades. Let me know if in the comments if you tried Big Caster. I'm having some sore throat. Even though that my voice is still alright, it's quite painful to talk, even swallow. Excellent residual slickness, you can buff right away. The smell that you get from the soap when it was sitting on your face, it's so pleasant. It feels a little bit more sweet, and yeah, just so good. Okay, final third pass. I'm just resting my voice and enjoying the shave. Such a good scent. Have you tried MacDuff's? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite from your collection, if you have. Or if you don't, which one do you consider buying? I'm not sure if Canadian Tuxedo is available for sale now. I hope that Sean will keep on releasing it, because it's a really pleasant scent. The label is super cool as well, with the bear rocking the Canadian Tuxedo. The Drakkant with big aster, 5th use probably of that blade. Excellent performance. Yeah, just taking care even of most of the problematic spots. So much slickness from the soap. Checking the alum feedback. Just a little bit of tingling, probably 1 out of 10, 1.5 out of 10, just on a couple of spots here. Everything else is great. Ah, excellent. Skin feels great. Sip of coffee. And finish with the splash. Canadian Tuxedo, matching splash. Tons of skin food, MacDuff's splashes. Again, I repeat myself. You may think that I'm exaggerating, but give it a chance. Try MacDuff's if you have a buddy that has one of their soaps. Ask for a sample. I really think that if you haven't tried MacDuff's, you must try. Find a way, get a sample, or buy a sample. Some retailers, they offer samples, so yeah, give it a shot. Opening the splash for the first time. Yeah, oh yeah. Very pleasant. Yes. Such a good smell. Rubbing it well into the skin, so all that skin food goodness can be absorbed and not waste a drop, as they say. Excellent. What a great shave. I like morning shaves during the week. I used Canadian Tuxedo today, the soap, matching splash by MacDuff's. Previously this was exclusive, as I mentioned, for the Canadian Wet Shavers Facebook group. Now it's available to purchase, hopefully will be, because it's a really nice scent. I also used my Spot Prints 3D printed ball, my AKA brush over here. Oops, let's see, upside down. MacDuff's, Alberta Boys, and the Drakkant TI. Fantastic razor, worked really well with 5 usages of the Astor blade. I'm surprised, actually, it was very smooth. I'll give it a chance, I'll push this blade. That's an experiment that I don't recall pushing a blade beyond 6 shaves. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this? How long can you last with a single blade? They're very cheap, but sometimes the curiosity is kind of like making me try to stretch it, and in this case I'll probably go for at least 1 more or 2 more if the next one goes well. Thanks for joining me for this shave today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.